How to edit product listings from your CustomCat account. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to easily edit your product listings in CustomCat. Whether you need to update product details, adjust pricing, or change mockups, we'll guide you step by step through the process. To get started, go to the left navigation menu and click on My Products. From there, select the store you want to work with. Keep in mind that the page may take a bit longer to load, especially if you have a large number of products. Once your products load, click on the Synced tab to see the listings that are linked to CustomCat. Find the product you want to update, and click on it to open the details. If you prefer, you can also click the three dots on the right side of the product listing and select Edit Listing. This will bring you to the listing editor, where you can make a variety of changes. First, you can modify options like the product's color or size. If you decide to deselect certain colors or sizes, they will be removed from your listing permanently. On the other hand, adding new options will update your listing with those choices. After making these changes, click Next to move on. Next, you'll have the opportunity to adjust more detailed information, including the product title, description, variant pricing, and product tags. You can also choose to overwrite the current mockup images for the product with new ones from CustomCat. Keep in mind that this feature only works for certain platforms. If you're selling on Etsy, for example, you won't be able to overwrite the mockups. Once you're happy with the changes, click Next to proceed to export the updated listing. You'll then be taken to a confirmation page. To finalize everything, click Export Edits and then confirm your changes by clicking Confirm. This will overwrite your existing product listing with the updated information. Once the export is complete, you can view the updated listing in one of two ways, either by clicking Edit in Store to see it on your e-commerce platform, or by clicking Edit in CustomCat to view it within the CustomCat interface. A couple of important things to note. If not all variants of your product are synced with CustomCat, you'll only be able to edit the product-level data, such as the title and description. For products with no variant synced, editing isn't available at all. Additionally, grouped product listings, which are products that come in multiple styles, cannot be edited. For more detailed tutorials, or if you need further help, be sure to visit CustomCat.com for additional resources.